Hey there guys, Alex here from SPP, and today we're going to be talking about how to delegate things properly at your agency to get more stuff done. Let's get into it. When you think about building an agency team, does it cross your mind to delegate tasks? Theoretically, there is no better feeling than clicking the assign button on an order and trusting that your team will be able to handle it for you with no problems. Unfortunately, for many founders, it is pretty difficult to relinquish control of your business's core competencies. Even if you're not ready to have someone handle client orders just yet, you can start by delegating simple, smaller, specific tasks. Learning how to delegate effectively will help you handle more clients and ultimately grow your business. Lots of people have trouble delegating tasks. There's often this nagging sense of doubt in the back of their head that prevents them from letting go of their control over an outcome. Will a task be done correctly? Will the quality be on par with what I expect? And what if something goes wrong? When you combine the mental effect of these doubts and the simple fact that delegation requires a little bit of effort upfront, it's not hard to see why many founders decide to handle their work themselves. There's a pretty clear problem with this approach though. You only have a limited amount of time and energy that you can invest into your business yourself. It doesn't matter how early you set your alarm, there are always going to be tasks that are going to get pushed down the pipeline. So delegation is really a matter of getting your priorities in order. It's the process of determining which tasks are essential for you to complete, what tasks can be done by someone else, and which tasks can be ignored altogether. A founder who feels the need to micromanage every task or project within their business isn't giving their full attention to any task, isn't thinking about the bigger picture, is stressed about the small things with no clear sense of what to prioritize. When you're first starting out, it's natural for you to want to do everything on your own. You're the one who knows the most about your business and its goals, so it only makes sense for you to want to be the one in charge of making things happen. But as your business grows, you're going to quickly realize that there's only so much that you can do on your own. You'll need to delegate tasks if you want to scale. Delegation is an important part of scaling a business because there's only so much that you can do yourself. It allows you to focus on your core competencies. It helps you get more value out of your time, and it provides headspace for more important tasks. While delegation can definitely help you scale your business, delegating every single task is a recipe for disaster. So the question arises, how do you distinguish between tasks that can be delegated from ones that can't? The process involves systematically thinking about tasks and responsibilities within your workflow and running a kind of cost-benefit analysis. To help you out, we'll talk about a few guiding questions to help you make the call. There are always going to be some tasks that only you can do, but if a task can be completed by someone on your team, either with their current skill set or with some training, then it's a candidate for delegation. If the process is documented, then you're most likely going to have a very easy time delegating this set of tasks. If the same exact task is going to occur again in the future, or just in a similar way, then it's a perfect opportunity to teach someone on your team how to do it for you. By taking the time to train your employees now, you could save a lot of time down the line. Plus, offering education and advancement opportunities plays a huge role in employee engagement. If you want to delegate a time-constrained task, you'll need to leave enough time to provide training, answer questions, check on the progress, and rework the completed task if needed. Some tasks may require your personal attention. For example, if a task is crucial to the long-term success of your business, then it might deserve some of your time. If you can confidently say that any of these apply to the task at hand, then delegating it might be a good option. The answer to this question depends on a few factors, including the size of your team, the complexity of the tasks, and the number of tasks beyond your core competencies. If you're a solopreneur or just have a very small team, it might make sense to handle most tasks yourself. Once you start growing and taking on more clients, you'll definitely need to start delegating tasks to other people. As your business grows more complex, you'll also need to delegate more responsibilities to others. This is because complex businesses require different people to specialize in different areas. For example, you may have someone to handle finance, a different person to handle marketing, and someone else to handle operations. No matter how big or small your business is though, there are always going to be some tasks that you can handle yourself. These are your core competencies. They are what make your business unique. As a general rule, the more time you can devote to your core competencies, the better. This means that your goal is going to be to delegate as many tasks outside of your core competencies as you can safely delegate. This will free up more of your time so you can focus on only things that you can do. While delegation can be complicated at times, using the tips that we have provided today to delegate will help you get more done overall. Knowing the processes and understanding perfection isn't always something that will help, but learning from your experiences and making adjustments for improvement will assist you in knowing how to delegate stuff to your team better. If you're looking for a client portal to help you assign and delegate tasks to your team, as well as a bunch of other features, check out SPP via the description down below. Thank you so much for watching.